Hello and welcome back to the Microsoft Publisher application course. In today's video, we'll continue with 4 topics on the graphics and design, and that will be showing you how to insert organization and information, WordArt, insert files from other applications into your publication, and also how to embed a file to your publication. So we will start by opening up our publication, and here we have a new page already open. So let's begin with inserting contents of a file in another document into your publication. So to do this, you go to insert, then you go to text, and here you see insert file. You click it, go to the location where you keep the file. So I know the location I want to pick a file from, and I want to pick this document, and I will click OK and wait for Publisher to convert this file, and then bring it in. You see what happens. So I go from 5 pages or 6 pages to 16, so which means this is my 5th page. These are the additional things I get. Okay, that's good. So in other words, I can take the content of a file and then I can introduce it to my own file. So I will save, and that's it. So the next thing I will do is show how you can attach, create like a link or an icon on your publication, such that if you don't want the whole contents in your file, you can use that link to link you back to the original file, and you can also work on that file from your publication. So let's stay here in page 5, which is still empty, and what I'll do is go to insert, and this time I will choose object. So you can embed objects, it's document or other file. So let's say object, and I want to create it from a file, so I'll choose create from file. That will allow me to choose which location I want to have it from. So I will browse, and I will go to where I kept the file. I will go for the same file with practice.3, and I will say open, and you see there it is. I can also do create a link so that I can link to that, more like a link you can use to that file, and you can also on your page display as an icon like this. Okay, and when you're done, you can say okay, and let's see what happens. And there you go. So now the first thing we did was to bring the contents into our publication, and it took another 10 pages in our publication, but we can simply just do it like this and bring an icon where we can link it. So let's say I want to go back to this file. I can double click it. So I double click, and you see now it opens the file in itself. So let's say I add a word to the file here. So I'm working directly with the file. This is me working, and when I'm done, I can save it, and then I close that file. And then I return back to my publication, right? Let's save my publication. And then, yeah, something with the computer is going wrong, but sometimes it happens. And let's hopefully wait for it that it doesn't crash and it comes back. So it says not responding, so I have to wait. And that could take time, depending. And until this is finished, I can't do anything. So this looks good now. So if I go back again and I click, double click to open, so it goes back to the same file, and you see that what you did the last time is still in the original file, and that's what you can do. So let's close this again. So, and that's how you can embed a file into your publication. So the other thing we would like to touch in this video is the organizational information and WordArt. And to do that, let's create another page insert page below, and we go to the next page. So to create a business information, you go to insert menu, you come to business information, click the drop down, click more business information to see more options. Choose any one you like. So I will go for this, for example, and I can say whether I want to add the graphics or not by saying don't include, and the graphics goes away, or I can say include, and I can say how many lines of text I want. Now it has only one, so I can say 3, and I can add 3 more lines. And or maybe I go for this one which I like, and I say only 2 lines. Okay, and I say insert. Good. So I can increase it, type the name I want, click and type PowerTech-Computers, and I can also change this to drawings. Good. And the final thing I want to do is add a WordArt. So stay on my page, go to insert, come to WordArt, click and choose any of the WordArt you like, which is like adding some stylish design to your publication. So I'm going to choose this one. This box comes out. I need to type in what I want to be used, so I can say PowerTech Computers. If it's too big, I can reduce the size. This looks okay, and I can make it look bold, and I say okay, and then just pull it up. There you go. And that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.